First you're going to soak gelatin in water and leave it for at least a minute. So now we are going to melt the gelatin first. Gelatin is melted. Now I'm going to add my white chocolate inside. If you don't like too much chocolatey white chocolate taste, you can avoid white chocolate also. Nicely melt your chocolate. Once your chocolate is melted, add cream cheese, sugar, and combine evenly. So once your cream cheese is combined, now we are going to fold our whipping cream inside. Our mango pulp. So we are going to dip in sugar syrup as sponge fingers and arrange inside the mold. So after a layer of the mango mousse, I'm going to add freshly cut mangoes. So now I'm going to add one more layer of my sponge fingers inside. So now I'm going to add this. I'm going to leave it to rest in fridge for 4 hours. After this, I'm going to add a thin layer of mango glaze on top. Mango miso. So I'm going to add a glaze on top. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of new gel. Microwave it. So once it is microwaved, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mango pulp and spread it